Ellen White's going to Australia. Let's go here before we go there. In 1901, when Ellen White ended up her missionary, by the way, she was 64 years old when she was sent to Australia. So what do you think was her age when she went to the US back? Most probably 74. She was already 74 when she stood up during the JAR conference session. And what did she stand up for? Reorganization. Because she was, sometimes they thought that if Ellen White would be in Australia, the prophet will be silenced. No, she was not silent. She became even more influential. Why? Because she was in the battlefield. And when she was in the battlefield was quite successful. First, Australia began to have a structure that is different from the whole world. What was that? They call it the Union District. They call it Union District. District means these are local organization of conferences. So from that, the first president was her son, Willie White, and later A.G. Daniels. And when the reorganization was made, A.G. Daniels became the president, the longest serving president of the JAR conference. So what happens? Whatever happens in Australia becomes the pattern for the whole world. Okay, what happened? Of course, they formed unions, and later they formed divisions. And the first division was Asiatic division. Before, we have JAR Conference US, we have JAR Conference Europe, but after the fast growth, by the way, without this could not happen. Remember, the Foreign Mission Board met 11 times in slightly more than a month of time, with the first 4 meetings taking place between April 24 to 28. But this is very influential. Pastor, this is our missionary focus. Okay, this conference will be sending across the world, and this will become the explosion of missions. Before, Abraham LaRue went as a self-supporting, and then Aldo was sent by Michigan as soon as he was. By the way, he was ordained 1 week after his baptism. And then, of course, Anderson baptized the first converts of Abraham LaRue. So all of these are missionaries from different conferences. But for the first time, the JAR conference will be sending official missionaries sent by the money of the JAR conference, not by the conference. And then Robert Caldwell was sent by Australia. But since here, we will be organizing the Asiatic division. So that is Asiatic division. I'll not explain yet Asiatic division. Let me explain a little. Asiatic division is China, India, Japan, Korea, Malay, Peninsula, Philippines, and Singapore during that time. Okay? So this is now the structures. These are the representations. A.J. Daniel was there. Do you recognize her? This is Petra Thunheim. Okay, the first missionary to Indonesia, Monsoon and Tisdale. Okay, so let me explain first the Philippines. Let's go to the Philippines first before we go there. Okay. Jen, nasundo mo na? Okay, the story of the Philippines. Many of us would always begin our story of the Philippines at what